Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we are opening the color of red. The next one is blue. Kids, now we are opening the color of blue. And the next one is white. The color of white. Kids, the next one is black. Now we open the color of black. The next one is green. Now we are opening the color of green. And the last one is yellow. The color of yellow. First we have drawn the alphabet of A, and now we are using the color of blue. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. Kids, the next one is E. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabet of G. The next one is H. The next one is I for eyes. The next one is J. And the next one is K. L. M. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. O for oxygen. P for penguin. The next one is Q. R for rose, R for rice. S for snake. T. U for umbrella. The next one is V. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, first we are opening the color of yellow. The color of yellow. And the next one is blue. Now we are opening the color of blue. The next one is green color. Now we are opening the color of green. The next one is red color. Now we are opening the color of red. Now we are opening the color of red. Kids, the next one is white color. The color of white. And the last one is black color. Now we are opening the color of black. Kids, now we are using the color of black. And first we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. The alphabet of H. I for ice. J for jackfruit. K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. N for nose, N for nest. And the next one is O. O for octopus. P. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.